Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Noraiman Bin Man, and my number metric is 09DE20F 2035. Today, I want to talk about semiconductor device about amplifier. Here we have a question that I get that I choose. So I have to compare between class A and class B amplifier in terms of key point position and current flow. So, what is amplifier? Amplifier is an electric device for increasing the amplitude of electrical signal, used chiefly in sound reproduction. We know, such as maybe a speaker, an electric device such as speaker. So, it is a two-port electronic circuit that use electric power from power supply to increase the amplitude of a signal applied to its input terminals, producing a proportionally greater amplitude signal at its output. So if this has two port, so we have to, like a speaker, we have to gain to twist the button to get the higher signal. So you want to lower signal, you have to slow down. So, what is an amplifier used for? An amplifier is the device that turns the low voltage that I said earlier signal from your source equipment into a signal with enough gain to be used to power. So, the key point of class A amplifier. In a waveform, key point of a class A amplifier is at the center of the load line. Why it at the center? Because transistor remain for wires through the input cycle. So the power efficiency is 20% to 50%. And the advantage is distorted free output, no crossover distortion problems in the waveform, there no crossover. So disadvantages are only for amplifying input signals or small amplitude. So that uh, not good for us lah. Since under zero condition, there is no AC output power. It means that all power given to the transistor is waste as heat. So the current flow is output current flow during the entire cycle of the input signal is 360. Why? In the waveform we have one cycle. So we have forward bias. In the Q point of class B amplifier, in waveform, Q point of class B amplifier lies at the cutoff point. Why? Because there is no output current. So when input current is zero, so power efficiency is 78.5%. So the advantage is no power wasted as heat. So we have class B amplifier is good for us. So disadvantage is since negative half cycles are totally absent from the output, the signal distortion is high. So it's dangerous lah. So the current flow is it's conduct only for half cycle of the input 180 degree. Uh, Class B amplifier is used for radio frequency amplifier. Class A amplifier is for television and radio receiver. So, in the conclusion, amplifier is important to people nowadays because I have such an example. We used to we used to have the signal to search some ship at the sea. So this is good for people, for police or everything to get the some ships. That's all for today. Thank you.